Okay, Caro.
Yeah.
I think the drum is beautiful. It sounds okay, and it looks okay. But it would be even more okay when we just initialize this drum on a shamanic way, because the shamanic drum is much more than its form or its sound. It's more about the energy. And the shamans know that you can put some energy or spirit inside this drum, so you have always like a kind of medicine bag. You have these spirits with you. I really like to put in the spirits of the elements. There's 5 elements, not 4, but 5 elements. And these 5 elements, they are really, everything on earth has these 5 elements. And you can very easily also work with these 5 elements. If you want to do some healing for yourself or somebody else, you just get this energy out of your drum in a very easy way. So we start to bring them in, and that is as an example, because after you left with your drum filled with these elements, you can also think maybe, oh, I always work with bear energy in my healing. Just invite bear in the same way. So I show you how I do it. I learned it from another shaman. That's how they did it. And they told me you can always invite other spirits to. Yeah. That's one of the reasons that the traditional Mongolian and Siberian shamans, if they die, they cut the skin of their drum, because all these spirits are inside his drum, and if somebody else who is not a shamanic practitioner or somebody knew how to work with spirit, he can really get very, very sick. So they release the spirits after the person who the drum is from died. Yeah?
Okay.
You understand?
I understand.
Okay.
That's new for me. The
Yeah.
last one you said, but it's
Yeah. I think a lot of things will be new.
yeah,
Because
that's the reason why we do it.
I mean, a lot of people they know the drum as a musical instrument, but I think that there is much more with it, and it's all about intent. It's all about intent working with spirit, but it's also about intent inviting spirit. It's really about connection. Spirit is a free energy, and you can just ask them in a nice way to be part of your drum, part of your life, part of your trip, part of your healing. And you can use, that's why it's nice if the drum is dry, because you can then also drum with it and do this invitation with the spirits in a way with the drum already as a drum. Yeah. I like to do it with the real elements. I mean, that is form, but the essence is also in this form. And maybe we start just with element earth. So that's the basic basic energy. You just put your drum on the floor on earth, and just make your own invitation, and you can make a small drumming about it and say, hey, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I invited the element earth, the element that is for our nurturing and our food, and help us to stay in contact with the mother planet. And I really invited the element earth, and I like to ask the element earth to be in my drum, so that every time when I like to invite the element earth, it's already there, and I can just give it to people when they need this element. And yeah, they can nurture it and help people to get grounded. Thank you, Earth, for being in my drum and give your energy to my drum. Yeah. You like that? It's about connection. It's about communication. It's about invitation. It's about not humble. I mean, it's more like a friend. In this book where I told about Castaneda, he used the word bondgenoot. In Dutch, dit is bondgenoot.
Eine Verbindung, a connection.
It's about connection. It's somebody nearby you who you are connected with, and more than a friend. A friend can also be something. Yeah, the bondgenoot is really a stronger version of a friend. So that's how you relate. Okay, we are sitting here outside, and this really beautiful wind represents the elements.
Yeah.
So we asked to and I like it that you already put this beautiful feather. I mean, look, you can see this air already in the
Aliveness.
It's aliveness. Yeah, it's aliveness. Oh yeah.
Life energy.
Hey, element air. Really so nice. You will come into my drum as well, and I feel the connection with you and the winds so much. Really love you. Oh yeah, thank you very much. Element air. I invite you to come into my drum to help people to being light and like a feather. Keep them moving, keep them in moving. Yeah, really element air. Please come into my drum and help me to give this energy of you, your essence, your quality to other people, the people who need some air. So now we already have two elements. Nice. Lots of water also. Yeah. I give it to you. You can get your hand and make some water on it, and make your commitment with the element water.
Should I say something?
Yeah,
Right.
just do you make an example. What can you do with the water? Speak out the love for water and just ask them to.
Spirits of agua, water, Wasser. I invite you to come in my drum, to help me to be there and to guide people with the spirit of clearness, what you represent for me, clearness and freshness, and yeah. I invite you to come in my drum and to help me to guide people.
Hey. Next, what we can do is to ask the fire also to get into this beautiful drum. Hey, spirit of fire, spirit of manifestation, spirit of letting go, spirit of transformation, please take your position also in my drum. Come into my drum, spirit of fire, come into my drum. Help people with their issues with the fire, their issues with manifestation, their issues with letting go. Thank you. fifth element, that's a crazy one because in our European way of using this fifth element, it's about etherisch. Ether, yeah. And there is something funny about that because it's very difficult. You can't see it. It's like a concept. And the people from Tibet, they call it space. And space is what it's about nature as well, because everything between the four, where the ether is also space. So I rather ask to bring in the element spaciousness in my drum, and I can make a picture of it. I can make a picture of fire, water, air, ground. It's very difficult to make everything. So I'm always invite spaciousness. And remember, this is one of the most important elements in your drum, because everybody needs space before they do anything else. First there is space, and then there is management. So, I really like to invite the element of space into my drum, to bring out the space for people to do their thing and get into their power and their strength. That they can feel the spaciousness in their own life, and they're taking their space. Dankjewel, elements of spaciousness. Thank you for being in my drum. Is there something in your medicine thing that you would like to ask to get into your drum for now? Is there a spirit you like to work with? Is there something new?
Flow. I mean, for me to flow, to go with feelings, with emotions, and to let go. And I call it the flow because something. But I have to say, I was thinking already when I did the water, because water is also represented.
Absolutely, yeah. And the beautiful thing, I mean, I always represent that the river, it's flowing, and it never goes back. It always goes to different states. So there is history, yeah, of course, in a concept of thinking, but nothing in a concept of doing. So that's really beautiful, yeah.
Maybe also the spirit of trust in life, trust in yourself, trust.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
I don't know. Yeah.
Ask me to trust also. That you're gonna find a place in your drum.
Spirits of trust. I invite you to come in my drum and to help me to guide people through the path with your power, with the power of trust in themselves, trust in the world, trust in everything what is material. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Danke.
Nice. Okay, now let's go to how we can use this as a medicine. So trust is really my word. I really love it. I have it on my back also. It's written in a tattoo, very big tattoo. So maybe you can give me a little bit of this trust energy you invite your drum to me. Yeah, so this.
Just out of how I would do it.
Yeah, just give me this trust healing by drumming for me and giving me this trust energy from your drum, and just make it your own ritual. I mean, it's not important for the for the spirits how it's been done. It's more or less the same as that you invite them to come in. It's also the way how you give it to somebody else. So just make contact, make your story, just tell whatever comes to you, and just drumming and giving this energy of trust. This is beautiful. Thank you very much. Yeah. So this is how you can use it. This is how you can use it. And you know, the fun thing is, I don't know if you hear it, but it already starts to sound different.
I feel the vibration a lot.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. And I think you sometimes give it water, and then the sound really start to change, and this flow is in this water, and this water is about emotion, and we have to learn our lessons by emotion. So I really think it's really a great gift for your drum. Yeah, wow. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.